meteorologist Eric Sarnitz and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
And tonight, things are looking pretty nice. It's tomorrow night where we have some big concerns about rain, how much rain, and who exactly is going to see that. Of course, Live Doppler 2X tracking all of that for us tonight across our area. Not too much to track. And, of course, most of Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky are dry. But just beyond that, we're just starting to see some rain building into Illinois. And that rain is just the tip of the iceberg. We can zoom out even further than that and show you Iowa, Missouri, some stronger thunderstorms in there. All of this heading down to the south and east tonight. Now, we could see some severe weather with this across places like Kentucky and Tennessee. For us, I think we're going to stay on the cooler and wetter side of the system with not quite as much of a threat for that severe weather. But we will have to watch that as well, especially across the southern half of the Miami Valley by tomorrow evening. Rainfall estimated totals look like the heaviest rain will be to the south of Dayton, with places actually off to the west seeing quite a bit of rain as well. Illinois, they'll see up around 2 inches, 1 to 2 inches once you get into Indiana, and by tomorrow night we'll have ½ an inch of rain down towards the Cincinnati area. But this rain will continue as we head through the Sunday night, and that means I think south of Dayton we have a good shot for seeing maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. To the north of Dayton, that's where things will be a little bit lighter. So starting off the day tomorrow, the 4th, 60 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning with some sunshine. By noon, those clouds will start covering things up, maybe a peak of sunshine, but that's about it. And then we continue to see those clouds increase throughout the afternoon. The steadier rains will build in around 2, 3, 4 o'clock, and they'll last until about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. If you live to the north and east of Dayton, bring all of that back just a little bit. It may start around 4 o'clock for you and end at 8 o'clock. So again, the further north and east you live, the smaller your chances are for seeing that rain. Tonight, 68 degrees, very comfortable. Winds out of the west-northwest at 7 miles an hour. Humidity at 65%. And with our dew point down in the mid-50s, that means we're still dealing with some pretty dry air. That's why it's going to take some time for that system to build in with the rain. Today's high, 77, normal, 84, and our record 102 back in 1897. And our weather checkers all calling in this evening with temperatures mostly in the upper 60s and lower 70s. 68 degrees with Betty Shappy in Versailles, 71 down in Union. 74 degrees with Gershon Silver in downtown Dayton, and 71 with Greg Shower down in Centerville. High pressure was with us this evening and tonight. That moves quickly off to the east. We'll watch our clouds build in late tonight, and then those showers beginning, I think, right around noon, 1 o'clock for areas off to the west of Dayton. And then, of course, that rain staying mostly down to the south, but we'll have our periods of heavy rain up here as well. Your forecast looks like this: 60 degrees tonight, mild with increasing clouds. Tomorrow morning we'll see a couple peaks of sunshine, but then it gets covered up by the clouds. Noon, 70 degrees. By the afternoon we'll see 72. Showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, especially to the south of I-70. If you live to the north, you may luck out during the evening and get a dry spell, just enough to fit in those fireworks. And then as we head through next week, wow, 80s by Monday and Tuesday. By Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the humidity builds, highs in the upper 80s, lower 90s. So summer makes a big comeback next week. This weekend, much cooler.